This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Attari. Under construction. This beautiful craftsman-style two-story floor plan has 2,310 square feet of open living space and features 4 bedrooms, a large loft, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The foyer leads to the great room and dining room combo with sliding glass doors to the covered lanai and open to the island counter and kitchen. This is where you'll spend your time and enjoy the privacy of no rear neighbors. The kitchen offers a nice size island with beautiful quartz counters and plenty of seating area. The kitchen boasts 42 cabinets, large closet pantry and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite is on the 2nd level and includes an ensuite bathroom with quartz double vanities. Additional home features include a loft, pocket office, 4 can lights per room, 2 pendant pre-wires over the kitchen island. Photos are taken of other finished 306 inland model homes, and are for display/layout purposes only. Actual home is under construction and selections will vary based on spec designs for the specific home site. Actual selections for this home are not shown in images. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Attari at 941-907-2000.